Your boy Stunna Reese, man, has came across an issue where it's broken. Yeah, it's broken. Can't believe it, man. Live life to the fullest on muscle cars and more. Let's get it, let's go. What up, what up, what up? Welcome to another episode of Muscle Cars and More. And I just want to start off by saying thank everyone for subscribing to my YouTube channel. We hit 14,000 subscribers and we on our way to 15,000. We almost at 15,000. So make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. Don't wait to the end of the video. Hit it right now, man. Let's get Muscle Cars and More and your boy Stunna Reese to 15K. Now, I started off this video real happy, but unfortunately, this is not a happy video for your boy Stunna Reese. But we're gonna turn it into a happy video. To be honest with you, I can't believe this happened to me. Not now. But unfortunately, with life, things happen. But let me get right into it, man. Your boy Stunna Reese, man, has came across an issue where it's broken. Yeah, it's broken. Can't believe it, man. After over a year of owning it, it's finally broke. Yeah, so let me show y'all what's going on. My GoPro, guys, yeah, it is broken. Now, I don't know if you guys can notice, but there's a little blue light right here, and it's not supposed to be on like that. This light is on constantly. It never goes off. If I try to power it down, no matter what I do, that light never goes off. I don't know if it's in some type of safe mode or what, but that light never goes off. Along with that issue, I got other issues. The other issue is the camera does not like to stay recording. I can press the record button and 99% of the time, it won't continue to record. It'll record for just a few seconds, or it may not even record. See, I just pressed the record button, guys, and nothing happened. Let me try to press it again. Okay, you saw it. It recorded for 1 second and then cut off. So yeah, this GoPro is definitely malfunctioning, and you guys heard it. It's just doing what it wants to do. So it's something wrong with this GoPro, and yeah, it's over. It's a wrap. It's been a good year. GoPro Hero 6. It was definitely a good camera, but I don't know if you guys noticed, but about 5 to 6 months ago, it started losing its audio quality. Yeah, my videos started getting lower and lower as far as the audio levels. Well, from there, I had to start switching to the camera that you guys are seeing right now. This video recorded on, which is my cell phone. That's right, man. Galaxy Note 8. Shout out to Galaxy, man, for making such a dope phone. That's right, guys. Some big YouTubers use this, man. That's right. Shout out to my boy Stephen Mod the Fame. He also uses the same phone on his camera as I do, man. That's right, man. So shout out to Note, man, like once again for making such an awesome camera. All right. But with that being said, I can't get my action shots being at the racetrack with my cell phone, because I'm not going to mount my cell phone to the outside of my car while I'm doing 130 miles an hour down a quarter mile. No, that's not going to happen. Not in a million years. So what did your boy Stunna Reese have to do, man? He had to grab a new GoPro. Now, I'm going to take you guys inside right now and show y'all what I got. That's right, man. Y'all stay tuned. Let's get it. Y'all there? All right, we back. All right, so here's what we got, the problem at hand. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Yeah, you may have seen in the video where my GoPro actually fell off my car while I was at the starting line, and I don't remember which video it is, so I'm not gonna pull it up and put the clip in, but trust me, it actually fell off my car one time while I was at the racetrack at the starting line. From that point, it started having small issues, just like it's done now, where it sometimes cuts on and off. You tap it and it does what it wants to do, just like that. So with that being said, it is not GoPro's fault. It was 100% my fault. I didn't mount it on the car correctly. Boom, I am where I am today. Well, what did your boy STUNNA REESE do about it? Well, I already told you. I went and got another GoPro. And what did I get? Did I go with the same one? No. I got the all new GoPro 7 Hero Black. Now, I haven't read a lot of reviews on this thing. There's only two things that I really saw that made me wanted to go and get this GoPro. The first thing is the image stabilization is supposed to be improved. They call it gimbal-like hyper smooth stabilization. So yeah, that's real important when I shoot my YouTube videos. I like my shots to be stable, even if I'm holding it in my hand. And along with my gimbal, it should bring you guys super smooth footage. Now, sometimes I don't have my gimbal on hand. Sometimes I might be doing a shot where I want to whip my camera back and forth really quick. You know what I'm saying? And my gimbal doesn't allow me to do that. I know if you sometimes listen to my videos, you'll hear me have to hit my gimbal 3 times and hear 3 clicks, and then it'll swivel around. And then I have to hit 3 times and it'll swivel around back towards me. Well, with my hand, of course, I don't have to do that. All right. So that's the first thing that definitely sold me. Now, this GoPro did come with some type of stabilization, but looking at the comparison between the two, you can definitely tell that there was an improvement done on the Hero 7 Black. The other thing, which is a major deal for me, even more so than the stabilization, is the audio quality. Well, the audio quality at this point was okay, but it was never good. According to this is better audio quality right out the gate. So that is definitely a big thing for your boy STUNNA REESE, man. I definitely want you guys to be able to hear and understand what I'm saying when I'm trying to articulate my videos to you guys. It's real important. I'm trying to turn my channel up, so I gotta make sure I'm doing what's best for me. Now, a lot of you might say, hey, why don't you get one of the Sony or the other cameras, the G7X and all the other cameras that the big YouTubers use? Well, the reason I don't do that is because I need sport action shots. I need my shots to be extra crispy and be able to be mounted on my car on the exterior and be able to go 150 miles an hour. Unfortunately, I wouldn't feel comfortable with mounting a Canon G7X or the Sony G7X or whatever those models are to the outside of my car and flying down the track. They're just a little bit too big, too bulky, and I think the wind might catch them and make them fly off the car a little too easy. And that's just not a smart business move for your boy STUNNA REESE. So, GoPro 7 Black it is. All right, so I'm gonna do this unboxing with you guys. I have something else for you too I want to show you. Now you guys all know, and you pretty much have seen a lot of unboxings for the GoPro 7. All right, and yeah, it's pretty simple, straightforward every time. This is my 3rd GoPro, and probably not supposed to be ripping the box like I am, but I don't care because I'll never use this box again. Keep it around there. All right, so boom, boom, get out of here. Boom. All right, down to the meat and potatoes. All right, so let's lift this up like that. Now, of course, just like the previous GoPro 6, 5s, and all the other ones, it does come with the standard mount, which you can hook up on any one of the GoPro accessories and even some of the aftermarket accessories. It's swivel based, so you can do anything. It comes with the cage, which is nice, and just allows you to do so much different stuff. Of course, it comes with the owner's manual. Of course, it comes with a battery. Of course, it comes with some extra mounting plates, a charging cord, and that's it. The warranty card, which just fell back. We don't care about that. But yeah, now, one thing you may or may not notice on the Hero 7 Black is it's actually black, opposed to the gray that was on the 6 and the previous models, which I like. Shut up. And it also, for the first time, has a big 7 on the side to let you know there is a 7. With the other models, the model number was really small on the camera. So yeah. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for that. You guys are gonna have to stay tuned and see how the footage looks. Now, I will be using this camera all during SEMA, man. So if you guys get an opportunity to see some SEMA footage before you see this video, then just know that it was shot with the GoPro Hero Black 7 or 7 Black or whatever they call it. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this. I don't want to break anything, so I'll come back to this later off camera. All right, but before I get done, I just want to show you guys one last thing. All right, now you guys know my Mavic Pro, I crashed it a long time ago. But shout out to my boy Hellcat Jones. He sent it off to DJI and had it repaired for me. And boom, we got drone footage back on the camera. And if you see my intro, then you know I got some drone shots in there. Well, to try to prevent that from happening again, because what happened was I was trying to shoot an intro for one of my buddies, and I actually hit a pole with my drone, and the propeller hit, and it was pretty much a wrap for me. So, what I did, I bought some propeller guards. That's right. These propeller guards should be super simple to install. Boom. I know it's like, dang, it's taking a lot. All right. Boom, boom. All right, so these propeller guards will simply mount to my DJI Mavic Pro, mount to the arms, maybe it's like this, or however they mount. Boom and boom. All right, and then from there, looks like maybe like this. Yeah, maybe like this. All right, so boom and boom. They will mount and they will prevent the drone from hitting any objects. So if a light pole or anything is on the side or in the front, boom, they'll hit the rails opposed to hitting the actual propellers. Boom, boom, you guys did it. It's real simple design, but it is definitely necessary. So with that being said, that's it, guys. That is it. I appreciate you guys. Drop in the comment section right now and let me know what you think about the new GoPro and the new drone guards. I know you guys want to see that dope footage like back in the days, you know, when your boy STUNNA REESE used to turn up with all the drone footage and all the crispy GoPro videos. You know you want that back, so I'm bringing it back to you, all right? But with that being said, it's a wrap. I appreciate you guys so much. Definitely, man, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications so you don't miss a thing right here with your boy STUNNA REESE on Muscle Cars and More. All right, but till next time, man, I'm out. Let's get it. Let's go.